how to fix fingerprint option not showing on Android. So if you want to fix the fingerprint option not showing on your Android, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. And once you open up your settings, you just need to simply go with search, which is on the upper side. And on the search, you need to search for reset. Once you search for reset, go with the reset options, tap on it, tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, and tap on reset settings, which is on the bottom of your screen. And once you reset, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next method, which is you need to again open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to go with the system and go with system update, or just go with the system update option, which is right here, and update your system. Once you update it, then your problem will be fixed. You just need to simply go and reset your phone, like reboot or restart your phone. And after doing that, you will have the fingerprint option. So that's how you can fix your fingerprint option not showing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.